Hi, in this video we will see Vtiger Asterisk connector configuration. Let's start with Asterisk configuration. First of all, we need to take a backup for zip.conf and extensions.conf file. Set the path where the zip and extensions configuration files are located. Then give the command to take a backup of zip.conf file. Next, give the command to take backup for extensions.conf file. You can take backup for other files before configuring it. Now let's configure files in Asterisk Server. Start configuration by locating zip.conf file. Give your asterisk IP in external address and local net fields. And here we have three contacts. Its usernames and passwords are given here. You can change the context as per your need. If you done any changes, save it. Then locate the extensions.conf file. Here, modify the IP with the IP of your Asterisk server. Next, view the Vtiger underscore manager.conf file. Make sure that the enabled value is mentioned as no. If not, make it as no, then save it. Then view the http.conf file. Here check for the binary address field value. You can either use your asterisk address or use IP 127.0.0.1. If you make any changes, save it. Then next, configure manager.conf file. Give your asterisk IP here. Do any changes if you need, then save it. Next one is web app configuration. But before that, create a folder in your local computer to save all the call recordings automatically. Locate the Vtiger CRM Asterisk Connector Properties file. Here in the storage dir, provide the path where you want to autosave the call recordings. Make the recording as true. Then give the location created to store applications database files. Give your Asterisk server public IP and Asterisk server IP. Then provide Asterisk port, username and password. You can get the secret key after you configure Vtiger Asterisk connector. Now let's start to configure the Vtiger Asterisk connector. In your Vtiger CRM, Go to CRM settings, then select modules. Here choose PBXManager under integrations. Click on edit. Provide your asterisk IP with an asterisk port. Then give outbound contacts here. You can view the details about it in zip.conf file. Give the outbound value. The secret key will randomly generated. Copy the secret key, then save it. Now view the Vtiger CRM Asterisk Connector properties file. Paste the secret key here. Then save the file. Vtiger CRM Asterisk Connector lets you use your own preferred soft phones to make and receive calls. You can activate the soft phones by providing the trunk name and password mentioned in zip.conf file. We have successfully configured Vtiger Asterisk Connector and it's now ready to work with. Watch our next video for how to work with Vtiger Asterisk Connector in the description to know how it works. Thanks for watching.